Hi parents and kids, I'm Jala. Today is my 5th lesson. Today we are going to learn about nouns in English language. What are nouns? Nouns are names. Nouns are everywhere. Everything that you see around you and you feel are called nouns. Let's say a girl, a boy, a cat, a bat, a house or a river or a country, all are called nouns. Now, nouns are divided into 4 categories. Let me show you. First, I'm going to write here. Nouns are divided into persons, places, things and animals. Okay. Nouns are divided into 4 categories. What are they? Persons, places, things, and animals. First we take the persons. Who are these persons? Mother, father, sister, brother, auntie, or uncle. Okay, let's put it on the whiteboard. Mother, father, sister, brother, auntie. Okay, let's say 5. Second one, places. What are these places? A hospital, school, library, post office, let's take America, it's a country, and India. Okay. Next we'll go to things. What are these things? Everything that you see around you, like a door, window, book, eraser, pencil, pen. Okay, next we'll go to animals. What are these animals? A cat, dog, rat, rabbit, snake, and a bird. Right. Now I have given you a list of nouns of persons, places, things, and animals. Now what you can do is you can make your own list of these animals. Okay, right. Next we are going to do countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Let me take this out. Our next topic is about countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns, uncountable nouns. Okay, what are countable nouns? Countable nouns are nouns that can be counted. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any amount. Let's take a very simple example. Pen. Now here you get 2 pens. So these 2 pens are countable nouns. What are uncountable nouns? Uncountable nouns are the nouns that cannot be counted. It's like water or milk or rice or juice or wheat. They cannot be counted. So they are called uncountable nouns. I'm going to give a list of countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Okay, countable nouns. Let's say books. Can you count the books? Yes. Pens. Can you count the pens? Yes. Houses. Houses. Can you count the houses? Yes. Houses can be counted. Shirts. Can you count the shirts? Yes. Shirts can be counted. Glass. Can you count the glasses? Yes, glasses can be counted. Next we'll go to uncountable nouns. Okay, the first uncountable noun is water. Can you count water? No, water cannot be counted. Let's say milk. Can you count milk? No, milk cannot be counted. Let's say rice. Can you count rice? No. Let's take sugar. Can you count sugar? No. Next we'll take juice. Can you count juice? No. Okay, next thing. Now, uncountable nouns can be taken into countable nouns. How? If we take like water, if we take like 2 glasses of water, we can say 2 glasses of water and it becomes a countable noun. The second one, milk. If you pour milk into 2 glasses, we can say 2 glasses of milk and it becomes a countable noun. The same way, rice. If you put rice into 2 cups, we can say 2 cups of rice. And the next thing is sugar. If you put sugar into 2 bottles, we can say 2 bottles of sugar. The same way, juice. If you put juice into 2 glasses, you can say 2 glasses of juice. Finally, now we have completed the lesson. Hope you have learned your lesson and you have enjoyed my lesson. Finally, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and see you later. Bye.